Picture this, you're a hardworking service professional. You've got the skills, you've got the tools, but your phone isn't ringing. Or worse, it's ringing with tire kickers, people asking for quotes they'll never accept. You're spending more time chasing leads than actually doing the work you love. You've heard about Housecall Pro, and you're wondering, does this platform actually solve that problem? Does Housecall Pro really provide leads? Or is it just another fancy app that promises the moon and delivers? Well, nothing? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Because in the world of home services, leads are the lifeblood of your business. Without a steady stream of qualified customers, you're stuck in a cycle of feast or famine, scrambling for work, and struggling to grow. Now, let's be real. There are a lot of platforms out there that claim to generate leads. They promise instant results, guaranteed bookings, and a flood of new customers. But often, those promises fall flat. You end up paying for leads that are either low quality, out of your service area, or simply not interested. So, you're rightfully skeptical. You're wondering, is Housecall Pro any different? Does it actually deliver on its promise of lead generation? And if so, how does it do it? To get to the bottom of this, we need to understand what Housecall Pro actually is. It's more than just a lead generation tool. It's a comprehensive business management platform designed specifically for home service professionals. Think of it as a digital command center for your business, handling everything from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. But, and this is the crucial part, embedded within that ecosystem is a suite of tools designed to help you generate leads. And it's not just about throwing a bunch of random names your way. It's about connecting you with qualified customers who are actively looking for your services. So, how does it work? Let's break it down. First, Housecall Pro offers what they call Local Services Ads integration. This is huge. Local Services Ads appear at the very top of Google search results, right above the traditional paid ads. They're designed to connect homeowners with trusted, verified service providers in their area. Being featured there gives you a massive visibility boost, putting your business in front of people who are actively searching for your services right now. Housecall Pro simplifies the process of managing these ads. They handle the setup, optimization, and tracking, making it easier for you to get seen by potential customers. This means you don't have to be a digital marketing expert to tap into the power of local services ads. Secondly, Housecall Pro offers integrated online booking. This is a game changer. Think about it. A potential customer finds your business online, they see your services, they see your availability, and they can book an appointment instantly without ever having to pick up the phone. This eliminates friction, reduces the chances of losing a lead, and makes it incredibly convenient for customers to schedule your services. And here's the thing. People expect online booking these days. It's the Amazon effect. We're used to instant gratification, and we want to be able to book services with the same ease we order products online. By offering online booking, you're meeting your customers where they are and making it easier for them to choose you. Thirdly, Housecall Pro helps you leverage your existing customer base for referrals. Happy customers are your best sales force, and Housecall Pro provides tools to make it easy for them to refer your business to their friends and family. This could be through automated review requests, referral programs, or simply making it easy for customers to share your contact information. Think about it. A referral from a trusted friend or family member is far more powerful than any paid advertisement. It's built on trust and credibility, and it's a highly effective way to generate new leads. Fourthly, Housecall Pro helps you build a strong online presence. Your online reputation is crucial in today's digital world. Potential customers are going to research your business online before they even contact you. They're going to look at your website, your reviews, and your social media presence. Housecall Pro helps you manage your online reputation by providing tools to collect and showcase customer reviews, optimize your online profiles, and maintain a consistent brand presence across different platforms. This builds trust and credibility, making it more likely that potential customers will choose you. Fifthly, Housecall Pro provides tools to manage your leads effectively. Once you generate a lead, you need to be able to follow up quickly and professionally. Housecall Pro's CRM features allow you to track leads, manage communication, and automate follow-up, ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. This is crucial for converting leads into paying customers. Now, It's important to understand that Housecall Pro isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's only as effective as the person using it. You still need to provide excellent service, build strong relationships with your customers, and manage your business effectively. But if you're willing to put in the work, Housecall Pro can be a powerful engine for lead generation. It can help you reach more potential customers, streamline your booking process, and build a strong online reputation. It's also important to remember that leads can mean different things to different service pros. Some may define leads as someone who has requested a quote. Others may view a lead as someone who has booked a service. Housecall Pro helps with both. From getting your business visible in search results, to making the booking process seamless, to helping you manage your customer relationships, it's a comprehensive approach. The key takeaway here is that Housecall Pro is more than just a lead generation platform. It's a comprehensive business management solution that includes powerful lead generation tools. It's designed to help you streamline your operations, improve your customer experience, and ultimately, grow your business. So, to answer the original question, does Housecall Pro provide leads? Yes, it does. But it does so in a way that's integrated with the entire business management process. It's not just about throwing a bunch of names your way. It's about helping you build a sustainable, thriving business. And if you're serious about growing your home service business, Housecall Pro is definitely worth considering. It's a powerful tool that can help you generate more leads, close more deals, and ultimately, achieve your business goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.